Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to install presets in Adobe Camera Raw in Photoshop CC. First, make sure you know where the presets have downloaded after purchase. In this tutorial, we are using a MacBook, so the presets will be under our Downloads folder in Finder. If you plan to only use the presets in Adobe Camera Raw, do not unzip the file, as we would need to import the presets in a zipped format. Then we need to launch Photoshop CC, so go ahead and launch the app. Once Photoshop CC is open, you will need to open an image in order to proceed. So select an image and open it. Now we will need to open Camera Raw and import the presets. To do so, head on over to Filter in the menu bar and select Camera Raw. A new Camera Raw window will open. Find the Presets panel, usually located at the right-hand side, and click on it. Now we will need to click on the three dots in the Presets panel and select Import Profiles and Presets. In the Finder window that opens, find where the presets have been downloaded. Select the zip folder and click Import. Do note that unzipped files will not import, so the file will need to be zipped. The newly imported presets can be found in the Presets panel on the right-hand side under the preset bay and the collection name. For example, the preset bay black. You can click on the desired presets and click OK. That's all from us in this tutorial. We do hope you enjoy the presets. Till next time.